Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyante. So in this video, I will show you how to connect a Java application with a MySQL using JDBC. For this, we need to follow these simple steps. Okay, first we need to have MySQL in your system. So now how to install and configure MySQL in your system. I already have done one video which is saved in a playlist MySQL course. So go there and install and configure the MySQL in Windows operating system. So then after installing and configuring MySQL in your system, next step is we need to download the JDBC driver jar file. Now for this, you open Google here, you open any web browser and type here JDBC driver jar. Now then you will get the first link, MySQL download connector /j. Now you click on this. Then it will take you to MySQL community downloads. So in there you need to select the operating system. Here the operating system what I am using is Windows operating system. So now here the option Windows is not available. So select a platform independent. So now here there are two download options are available. One is tar archive and the other one is zip archive. So we recommend to download the zip archive. So now here click on download. Now here you can log in and you can log in here. Otherwise click on no thanks, just to start my download. Now here MySQL connector J has downloaded and it is in the form of a zip file. So now go to the downloads. Now here you extract this zip file and extract all. Now extract. Now this is the folder what you get after extracting. Now if you go to inside that folder, you will be having this MySQL connector -j -9.7.0. So here we will be having MySQL connector -j 9.70 jar. Now we need to use this jar file. So now for this, now let us copy or cut this and paste in any location. Okay, here I am going to save that folder in desktop. Okay, so this is MySQL connector C. Now the second step is completed. We downloaded the JDBC driver jar. Next what we need to do, we need to create a Java project in Eclipse. Now for this, open the Eclipse. So I already downloaded and installed Eclipse in my operating system. If you want to download and install Eclipse in operating system, already I have done one video and saved in a playlist Java course. So go to Java course. In that how to download Eclipse, I already made one video. You go through it and download that Eclipse. So then click on this Eclipse here. Now here where you want to save your project, so that directly you need to choose. Here for that in the desktop only I am creating one folder JDBC. Now I will create the Eclipse project here in this JDBC. Okay, so for this I need to select that folder, browse here and go to desktop and select JDBC folder. Now so whenever I create the projects now, all those projects will be saved in this folder. So now click on launch. Now here we need to create the Java project. For this, go to the file, take new and select a Java project. So if Java project is not available here, go to others. Now here under others you type Java project. So now you select this Java project and click on next. Now here it will ask you the project name. You can take any project name here. So JDBC project I'm taking. Okay. So then remaining thing I'm not going to change. So then you click on finish. So now if any pop-up is came, so you can select open perspective. Then Java project is came here. Okay, so our JDBC project now by default JRE system library is also came and one SRC folder is came, and under this SRC one module info Java file is already available. If you want to use it, you can use, otherwise you can delete it also. So now here we need to create a Java class. So now under SRC right click and take new and take a class. So now our class, so now here we need to write one package name. Let us take package as com.jdbc and our class name JDBC demo. These two are your wish. Okay. So now here I want one main method also here. So click on public static void main. I don't want inherited abstract methods. You uncheck that and then click on finish. Then here in SRC com.jdbc one package is created. Under the package we have the class. So we have the Java file JDBC demo.java. That is having one main method also here. Now here we need to write the Java code which is used to connect to the JDBC. Before that we need to add JDBC driver to our project in the Eclipse. So now how to add a JDBC driver to our project I will show you now. Okay. So now for this what we need to do is you just right click on this project and here search for build path. Now under build path you will be having configure build path. Select this configure build path. So then go to libraries here. Okay, so go to libraries and select module path. So then click on add external jars. Now here we need to add the jar file what we are downloaded. So now where we saved that in desktop. So now in desktop, so what is the jar file? MySQL connector.j. So now go inside this. Now you need to select this jar file. Then open this. Okay, so that's all. So then apply and close. So now whenever you apply and close, now here we get one reference libraries under our project. So now in this we will be having MySQL connector J. So in these many classes and available here. So now to connect with Java to connect Java with MySQL. So we use one package here which is called the com.mysql.jdbc here. Okay, here under this we have the driver class. For this driver class we need to connect our Java project. Okay, so now for this what we need to do, we need to write the Java code. So now Java code also I have written previously. I will just copy and paste here. So here I'm copying this and pasting inside the main method. Now for this here there are two lines of code is available here. So one is class.for com.mysql.cj.jdbc.driver. Now this line is used to load the JDBC driver to our Java project. And the second one is driver manager.get connection. So this is used for connecting our project to our MySQL database. For this we need to provide the MySQL database name here. So now here that URL you need to write JDBC MySQL /localhost 3306. Now here after the slash here we need to select to which database you want to connect. Now if you want to know what are the databases in your MySQL, so just to go to MySQL line command line client. Now here your password, then here type show databases. So now here what are the databases available? I have these databases, Sakilas, Sisu, World. Now I want to connect it to this World database. So that's why here I need to use a /World. Suppose if you want to connect it to some other database, suppose if you want to connect it to Sakila, so then you copy this Sakila. Now here instead of World, we paste that Sakila. Like that you can connect it to any database which is there in your MySQL. And also you need to provide the username. So username is root for my MySQL. So now password also I said I am root only. So I'm taking here username as root, password as root. Okay, if while installing MySQL, you have to set the password. Okay, so now that password you need to use here. First username, then password. Now for my MySQL, I used username and password, both are the same, which are root here. So that's why I'm taking 2 times root only. Okay, so now if the connection is successful, then this statement will be executed and you will get the output as connection was successful. Okay, so now once run this, if there are any errors, then we will come to know. Now one more thing. So now here if you observe, so this connection and driver manager are in red. So now for this what we need to do is we need to import one package. So import java.sql.stop. Now run this. Unresolved compilation problem. Connection cannot be resolved into a type. So what was the problem? So while importing, you are getting the error here. So okay, you do one thing. So now here, while developing the project, one module -info.java file is came. You just delete this. Now that error has gone. Okay, there may be some error due to that file only. So you remove that file. So now here if you observe, here again you are getting unhandled exception type class not found. So now what do you do is you just add throws declaration or surround with a try catch block. Okay, so now here instead of writing try catch block here, select all this code and go to surround with the unselected try catch block. Okay, so now that code will be surrounded with a try catch block. Now here run this program. Now you are getting connection was successful here. So now this is the way how you can connect a Java program with the MySQL using JDBC. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can comment. I will respond to you. Thank you very much for watching the video.